Hello, this is Thorsten Weiss from TrackingMaster. Thanks for having me, Emily. We want to show you a solution for universities because hybrid teaching is the future of universities. Why is that? A lot of young people, Generation Z, they want to have lectures time and location independent. And that's possible with hybrid setups. And we have an automated person tracking we want to show you today. My colleague Tim will show you that he's walking around and the camera will follow him very smoothly. That's why we track with LiDAR sensor. This is a big innovation in the industry because the optical and the audio systems don't work reliable, and our LiDAR sensor always know where this person is. Based on where Tim is walking, you can see our front end over there, and we can tell the system what to do at this place. We can start a speaker, or for example, we can unmute a microphone, or even we can change the signal. So for example, we can tell the system, don't show the picture of the camera, show the visualizer if Tim, the professor, walks to this place. We can prioritize zones. For example, if Tim, the lecturer, is standing over there and the student would cross the stage, the system wouldn't follow the student, it will stay at the lecturer. So always the right content for the students. And it's not just tracking, as you can see, it's more of automation of the lecture. That's what we do at TrackingMaster. If you want to learn more about it, go to our website, trackingmaster.io. Thank you very much. Bye.